What's up, guys? Just woke up, but you know I had to get on a daily. I had to get on a daily, guys, because why not make another video? I've been getting like the video I made about how to do this black stuff. Well, already like it's only been 1 minute until I made it, and then when I get back on it, somebody commented great vid, and I had to like it. I already have 5 views, so I think it. I don't really know. I think it's helping people, but I don't know. Well, we're gonna play anything right now. I don't really care what we play. Anything. Could play a lot 4-4. No, people be on that, and I hate when people on that, cause I want to listen to music. Well, we're just gonna do a 15 minute. Oh yeah, people, if you're gonna be in the comments asking me why do I have wait, what was I about to say? Oh yeah, why do I only have 15-minute videos? That's my limit. I can't make anything higher than that. I would if I could, but I can't. I can't. Well, oh yeah. No, I was not trying to get free Robux. No, I was not trying to get free Robux. No, I'm not trying to get free Robux. That was me commenting on it. It was one game. I forgot what it was called. I was on it yesterday, and it says Robux. This is Bob. He said free Robux was a scam. Stop trying to get free Robux. So I looked up free Robux, and I commented on one of the badges. Free Robux are fake. That's the only reason I looked it up. Please don't mind that noise. I don't know why it's noise up there. Bill, what you want? Since when was Roblox dabbing? Oh yeah, it says now. Wait, I know I saw art. I saw something in my head. I feel like I saw some R12 stuff or whatever it's called. Anthro. I don't know. What? I feel like, yeah, Anthro. Well, dang, that's the worst game ever, I guess. And this. Jeez. When would I ever play that? I don't really know. But, oh, yeah, this is a really, really old obby. Like, guys, this is actually a really old obby. Oh, yeah, we're gonna just be playing with my friend, I guess. I'm gonna be playing with Prodigy. Yo, you guys, if you don't believe this is really fake, this was made in 2009. Updated in 2014. I don't know why I don't have one of my friends on here. I'm gonna look him up. Oh, there he is. I'm gonna tell him to join my. No. What do you want to play? Wait, I hate when that happens. I don't know why. Oh yeah. Shout out to him. He bought my pass for my game, and I bought a pro T-shirt, and I will show you guys right now. I bought it at school though. You guys probably think I'm lying, but I'm actually not lying. I actually bought that at school. This is what I bought for 2 Robux. And I made an outfit. And another outfit. How did I get on there? Hehe. I remember when Roblox used to look ugly. You're ugly. Why do I have 2 of these? I don't really know. I don't have any faces. If you guys want to look, well, I don't even want this dark screen. It looks like, I don't know what it looks like, but I'm just gonna change it really quick. Oh yeah, guys, if you want to see how to do this, because I'm really gonna skip the video. I have a video about how to do this, so I'll be right back, guys. I'm back, and I want to do this one though. They said this is still experimental. I said experimental. I want to see if anybody else had that. I think somebody else actually had that. Dark blockers. I'm gonna look up how to get. Yeah, this is the video I watched to how to get it. This funny dude. This funny dude. Oh yeah, you do need BC without to get the what's called. Guys, should I get on my friend's account? I'm going to get on my friend's account so you guys can get back on my friend's account. I can see I'm right here. Oh, this is my other friend, but he's not my friend over here. I don't know why.
Bro, I ain't got nothing to smoke, bro. I'm about to jump in my shit and go buy me something to smoke from the goddamn gas station, bro. Because this is my nerves are shit. Yeah, I gotta rush to get mad, but it's now looking slow outside. I know that nigga.
Guys, he probably can get the thing by himself though. He probably can. He got so many notifications. Guys, I'm about to. Should I add one of these? I'm gonna add my Roblox. Yeah, he can't get these. I'm gonna give him one. Okay? Well, no, I'm not gonna give him this one because he already has this. Well, I'm gonna be for replying. I said for replying. I'm gonna be replying to people. Guys, because this is a girl. I know her. And I don't know why. But she won't my pass. She's really gonna tell me the password, and guess what? I'm not gonna tell her. I'm gonna change her password, so basically I'm just gonna hack her, like my old account. My old account got hacked. RIP. This is. I guess y'all already seen my old account, but this is my other one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he is my friend. Well, on here it's friend, but he friends a lot of people. Oh yeah, this is my cousin. I don't know that, 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 that. And he joined this group. He made myself join this group. And the person I hate. Oh yeah, it's a C part. If awful. Anyway, I was on my tablet, so it was auto correcting. You're thinking you put a smiley, do you can get it? Yeah. So basically, on that account, I'm admin VIP, but I can't get on my account. I really want to report him, but why would I report him if report don't work? She stole her account. Oh my gosh. Yeah, he stole my account, and I was mad. Let me show you who stole my account. Let me just show you. I will show you guys. And everybody better report him too. He stole my account. Everybody better report him. Or I will not be making any more videos. I'm just gonna quit. Yeah, I joined before him. This is the game I got hacked on. Hamster game. No, I never play that game anymore. Oh yeah, I don't play that. Oh no, I don't play that. Can't do that. Can't do that. What the heck? It took him a long time. Well, guys, I'm just gonna end the video. I ended up getting on my friend's account, so yeah. Goodbye, guys.